What is a dominant estate in property easements? Have you ever wondered how property rights work when one piece of land benefits from another? This brings us to the concept of a dominant estate in property easements. Let's break it down in simple terms. A dominant estate is the piece of land that enjoys the benefits of an easement over another parcel, known as the servient estate. In this relationship, the dominant estate has the legal right to use part of the servient estate for specific purposes. This could be for access, utilities, or other designated uses, without actually owning that land. To clarify, an easement is a legal right that allows one property owner to use another's land for a particular purpose. The dominant estate is the property that benefits from this right, while the servient estate is the property that is burdened by the easement. For example, think about a driveway easement. The dominant estate may have the right to cross the servient estate's land to reach a public road. Utility easements are another common example, allowing for the installation of power lines or sewer connections. Key features of a dominant estate include that the easement benefits the land itself, not just the owner. This means that if the dominant estate is sold, the easement rights typically transfer to the new owner. The right to use the servient estate is usually for a specific purpose, which is defined in the easement agreement. Easements can be affirmative, allowing use, or negative, restricting use. For instance, a negative easement might prevent a neighbor from blocking sunlight to a garden. Legal mistakes often arise from misunderstandings about these rights. One common error is failing to clearly define the easement's scope and purpose in writing. This can lead to disputes over what is allowed. Another mistake is assuming an easement grants ownership or broader rights than intended. Not recording the easement properly can also cause issues when the property is sold. Ignoring the servient estate owner's rights, such as maintenance responsibilities, can lead to conflicts. To avoid these pitfalls, always document easements in clear agreements that specify the rights and obligations of both parties. Ensure that easements are recorded in public property records to inform future owners. Consulting legal professionals when creating or modifying easements is also a wise move. Understanding the dominant estate concept is essential in property ownership disputes. It defines who benefits from and who is burdened by certain property uses. Proper legal handling of easements can help protect property values and reduce the risk of costly disputes.